be more than happy if she went into the interval 2-all with a performance.
Yeah. That's such a good pot.
Make Nutcharut. Ronnie 7.
Yeah. Well, it's another example. But that blue was not.
On the positive side.
Yeah, well, she got lucky. Jimbo is 2-1 up.
Plays them very well. In the context of the match.
One.
Cue ball to beat.
$14. $22.
All season.
Yeah, certainly Asia, China in particular, which was not always the case. So the proper shots. And that makes it very dangerous. Residency in Hong Kong. Chance in this frame, of course, the last one as well, a big chance.
58.
When O'Sullivan hits the front, he just stays there.
66.
You were told beforehand she was going to get those chances. She'd been do fear.
Number 2 coming up.
Good cue ball control when needed. A few little subtle. The balls are in the open. Another.
He's not happy with just, making breaks and winning frames and matches.